It fuels the fire in the bellies of dreamers, pushing them through setbacks and disappointments. It whispers, yes, you can, even when the world shouts, give up. It is the anchor that holds us steady in the storm, reminding us that our journey, though effortful, has meaning. Dear audience, today, this is the strong belief that holds us united. And these three virtues are not independent stars, but a constellation. Their brilliance amplified by their proximity. Unity fosters faith. Faith breeds discipline, and discipline strengthens our unity. It is this synergy that motivated our ancestors and the freedom fighters to the peak of success. Their diverse voices united by a single dream. Their faith in justice fueling their relentless courage, and their unwavering discipline engraving their names in history. And today, Qaid Azam and all those who sacrificed their lives for the creation of Pakistan demand us to follow the same virtues in our daily life.